Will the tiger eat me alive? What if I fall down from the jeep? Should I take kids with me to the safari? Are my parents safe on the gypsy? What if my forest vehicle breaks down? These are some of the common questions which come to our minds when we think of going on a wildlife safari. In this video, we will talk about how safe are open jeep safaris. Make sure you watch this video till the end as we will speak directly with the experts of the jungle who will share their views on this topic. But before we begin, there is something we need to ask you. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe. This will keep us motivated to bring to you the best wildlife content from across the world. Coming back to the video now, the first thing we need to understand is why are open vehicles used in a wildlife safari. A normal safari vehicle has 6 to 8 tourists along with a guide and a driver. The first reason for using an open vehicle is that unlike the closed vehicles, an open jeep gives a better view of the jungle to the tourists. In the rear, there are 3 tourists in each row, so an open vehicle gives a great view to all. Secondly, the jungle paths are not like city roads and the ride might get bumpy. The driver has to drive safely by avoiding the tree branches, potholes, and any other damage to the vehicle. An open vehicle helps him navigate through the jungle swiftly. Thirdly, you are there in the jungle to see the wild animals, be it a deer, a bull, an elephant, or even the big cats. So, how will your forest guide or even you find the animal in such a vast, dense forest? The animals do not just jump out in front of your vehicle, they avoid the humans and jeeps as much as possible. So, your guide needs to stand up and have a 360-degree view of the jungle throughout the safari to make this experience memorable for you. Now that we know why open safari vehicles make more sense in the jungle, let's jump on to the main question in the video. How safe are we on these open safari vehicles? To answer this question, let's divide the jungle into 2 types of animals, the prey and the predator. Let's talk about the prey first. By prey here, I mean the herbivores or small carnivores. Due to their position in the food chain, these animals are naturally alert and scared of the humans. Hence, there is a next to impossible chance that your vehicle will be attacked by these kinds of animals. Now comes the second type of animal, the rulers of the jungle, the lions, the tigers, the leopards, the jaguars. These are the apex predators in the jungle. Their single roar can be heard from miles away. When they walk, the jungle goes silent. Do you know that a male tiger can be more than 10 feet in length and can weigh up to 220 kgs? Lucky for us, these animals are not interested in eating humans. At the start of 20th century, there were around 100,000 tigers in the world, and now there are less than 4,000 left. Similar is the case with other big cats. As a result of this conflict and destruction, it is stored in the genetic memory of these animals that messing with humans invites trouble. After all, human is the most dangerous animal on this planet. But then what are those stories we hear about a lion killing people or a tiger becoming man-eater? Well, there are a few cases when these animals resort to killing humans. When a big cat gets old or when there isn't enough to eat in their habitat, humans become an easy target. However, we humans are to be blamed for this as well, as we are the ones who destroyed their habitats. Anyway, so the jungles we visit during safaris are filled with food for these apex predators, and whenever they spot our vehicles, they usually walk the other way. One very important thing to note here is that the tourists are only safe as long as they are on their vehicles. The moment you step out of your vehicle, you are as much in danger as any other deer in the jungle, except that you are way too slower than the deer. So do not ever step out of your vehicle. Interesting fact, these animals do not see you as 6 or 8 different people on a jeep. Rather, they see a big vehicle way bigger than them which smells of diesel. So they have no urge to pounce on your vehicle and grab you by the neck. Also, did you know that you are more likely to be chased by an elephant than a tiger or a lion in the safari? But don't worry, sit tight and respect the rules of the jungle and you will have an experience of a lifetime. Now let's hear what the jungle experts have to say in this regard. We interviewed Mr. Mukesh, a safari guide, and Mr. Dinesh, a jeep driver from Ranthambore National Park in Rajasthan, India.
चलो भैया, आपका नाम?
मुकेश।
आपका नाम भी?
दिनेश।
तो मुकेश और दिनेश जी, पहले आप ये बताइए कि टूरिस्ट सेफ क्यों है जीप पे?
टूरिस्ट क्या है, जब जैसे कि टाइगर बचपन से ही पीपल को देखता है इसलिए थोड़ा सेफ माना जा रहा है इस टाइम पे। तो अभी तक कोई व्हीकल पे कोई अटैक नहीं किया, क्योंकि जब पैदा होता है बच्चा तब से ही व्हीकल को देखता है, तो व्हीकल को क्या खतरा महसूस नहीं करता। और जैसे कि अगर नीचे से अगर पैदल जाएंगे तो टाइगर अटैक कर सकता है।
और जीप पे एकदम टूरिस्ट सेफ है। आज तक कभी अटैक हुआ
नहीं,
कभी अटैक और करेगा भी नहीं, करेगा भी नहीं ना। तो रणथंभौर आ सकते हैं सब, सेफ है मतलब। ठीक है। और दूसरी बात ये बताइए कि ये फतेह और वीरू की किस्सा क्या था?
फतेह थोड़ा क्या भारी टाइगर है, वैसे ओल्ड रणथंभौर का सबसे बड़ा टाइगर है। और वीरू क्या थोड़ा बच्चा था, वो नया बच्चा था, तीन वर्ष का था, तो उसको क्या कि थोड़ा एक्सपेंस कम था।
पहले उससे पहले भी 137 को मार रखा था टाइगर में।
अच्छा।
टाइगर
शुरू में उसको एक मेल और मार रखा था 10 नंबर में।
वो क्या कि बच्चा था तो वो इतना लड़ नहीं पाया, तो फतेह ने
तो 3 दिन हो रहा है। और जो ये मंदिर जाते हैं पैदल लोग, ये सेफ है, इनको अटैक नहीं करता?
नहीं सर, जैसे कि
झुंड पे सेफ है सर।
जैसे ग्रुप में जाते हैं तो सेफ है। अगर
सिंगल जाओगे जब तो
सिंगल
कर
या
सकता है।
2 आदमी तो सेफ नहीं है।
नहीं है,
जब
बट अनलीगल लोग है ये सभी, कोई लीगल इसमें परमिशन नहीं है।
नहीं है।
झुंड से तो यूज टू है टाइगर।
चलो आखिरी सवाल, उस्ताद सही था या नहीं था?
उस्ताद बहुत सही था। वैसे लोगों ने इसकी अफवाह बना करके इसको कैद करवाया।
अफवाह था,
अफवाह से करवाया।
वो स्मगलिंग वगलिंग को सबको वालों को रोक लेता था।
हाँ,
है ना?
सबको ही सर।
मंदिर गए, आज
Yes,
तक किसी को
yes,
कुछ
sir.
नहीं कहा उसने।
अनलीगल लोगों को तो वो रोकता था,
बट वैसे
हाँ
उसने कभी किसी को कुछ
कहीं भी नहीं सर। वो तो उसके पास जाएंगे सर तो अचानक टाइगर अटैक करेगा, और क्या करेगा?
आप झुक के बैठोगे, लकड़ी लोगे शाम के
वो
वक्त
तो
अकेले,
मारेगा,
और
तो
उसके
क्या
किल पे जाएंगे जब तो अटैक करेगा ही
तब तो
करेगा।
करेगा।
इसकी कोई गलती नहीं थी टाइगर की उसमें।
उसको तो राजनीति के थ्रू भेजा
बस
गलत है ना?
So basically, we can now conclude that tigers are expert ambush hunters, and unlike when you see a dog, you must look the tiger in the eye and slowly back away or bend backwards. We hope you guys are now convinced that these open jeep safaris are absolutely safe, given you respect the rules of the jungle. Believe me, watching these animals in their natural habitat is an unparalleled experience, and each of us should at least do this once in our lifetime. Go book a safari now with your loved ones, and we will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep discovering wild paws.